key to my approach is let's take modern day technology, and rather than, especially my generation, saying, oh, I don't understand it or it's harmful, let's turn the table and make it so that it is beneficial to our families, beneficial to our children, and use it in such a way as a parent that we can help strengthen our family relationships and strengthen our health and wellness along the way. I think nutrition is 80% of the solution to overcoming, say, obesity. What we put in our body, if we put the wrong things into our body, if we eat improperly, if we eat junk food, it doesn't matter how much we exercise, we're not going to work it off. It also does not allow our body to function at the optimal levels. So it's very important that we are aware of what we're putting into our bodies. There's three things that need to be incorporated into any type of a health program that will make it successful. One is that it's simple, one that it's social, and one that it's fun. And this is where social media can also help build a healthy lifestyle for your kids, is by incorporating any kind of technique or any kind of program that incorporates those three elements. Years ago we used to send up smoke signals. Now the smoke signals are on the internet or on Facebook. It's just the way that we're evolving, and the whole key, in my opinion, is let's use this productively and learn how to use this productively as families, as parents, to promote better health, as opposed to sitting back and let it destroy us and becoming very destructive. Social media is not the holy grail, in my opinion. I think we need to really go back to basics. The foundation of our life and the foundation of our health is our family. And it really is, whether it's social media that helps us strengthen that foundation, whether it's one-on-one relationships, traditional tools and techniques that help strengthen that relationship, I don't know. But as a parent of 8 children, I know that I need to use any tool and technique that's available to me to be able to stay connected with my children, to continue to support their journey down this path of life and make sure that it's a healthy one. Some of the biggest issues are the fact that, for example, if someone is going to start an exercise program or a diet program and they start it on their own, they get sabotaged by their family. Their family doesn't support necessarily what they're doing, or sometimes they unknowingly sabotage. For example, if it's a birthday, they bring in a great big birthday cake. And if somebody's on a diet or trying to reduce the amount of sugar they're consuming, that all of a sudden has sabotaged that objective. The issue basically is we don't move. As a people, we become very sedentary. We all have desk jobs for the most part, and we don't move as much as our ancestors did. Then that combined with improper eating habits and poor health choices, and I namely point fingers at the fast food industry, that combined is a recipe for disaster as far as our health goes.